Using the Oddsfinder tool is very simple. We use it to save time, it finds us good odds, and it means it takes some of the work out for us. To get started, what we need to do, from any page on the Profit Mentor website, you'll see Oddsfinder here. If we just click it, it'll open the Oddsfinder for us. As you can see, it's loaded the OddsMonkey site. That's the site that we use to find matches. Here's a list of the events, the bookmakers, the back odds, and the current lay odds. As you can see here, there's a lot of different bookmakers listed. For this specific example, we're looking at Betfred. So what we do is go to the bookmakers list and we just find Betfred. What that does is filter out all the other bookmakers, and it just tells you what odds are at Betfred at the moment. So for example, on the top of the list we can see that at Southwell 3 PM today there's a horse running called Furrows, and at Betfred the back odds are 2.5. At Betfair the lay odds are 2.5 also, which makes it a great match. You shouldn't lose much money by doing that. So what we'd do is we'd go over to Betfred and just check that these odds are still here. So we'd go to the sports market, which is open. We'd make sure we're viewing in decimals. We'd go to horse racing, Southwell, and open the 3 PM. As you can see here, Furrows is in fact 2.5 to back, as we expected. So if you click that, it will go into your menu. Also, what you need to do is just double check the lay odds at Betfair. So you'd go over to Betfair, you click on the horse racing markets, and here's your list of racers. So we can see the Southwell 3 PM is there. Once that's loaded, we can see that actually Furrow has changed a little bit. It's come into 2.48 rather than 2.5. This is good for us. It actually means we're back in at higher odds and we're laying. So what we can do is put that in our menu, and then we've got the lay box there. So if we was qualifying for a bet, you could place your bet at Betfred and your lay at Betfair to say that Furrow won't win. Your bet at Betfred will be saying that Furrow will win. So you're covering all 4 horses by doing that. What you can also do on OddsMonkey, for example, once we've done our qualifier, we'd have a free bet at Betfred. As mentioned before, we always try and use free bets on high odds, so odds of 4.0 or higher. So as you can see here, there's quite a lot of different odds. But what we're going to do is we're going to just filter out any low odds. So if we click on filter, this back odds bit, we change that to 4 because we want the minimum odds to be 4. So by applying that, what we'll do is just get rid of any odds that are below 4, just to save us a bit of time going down the list. So now, as you can see, all the back odds are 4 or greater, and we can just go down there, find whether the odds are still available at Betfred and Betfair, and if they are, we can then use our free bet on that. It's very simple. You can select any bookmakers you like. For example, we'll go to Bet365, and what that does then, it takes all the Betfred odds away and just gives you the Bet365 odds. The same if we did it with Ladbrokes, it will just take them all out and just give you the Ladbrokes odds. We can change the filter back to 2 if we want to, if we're doing another qualifier, and we just filter that. So we can just adjust it to whatever we need it for. It's very reliable, it's very quick, and it will just save you a lot of time when you're getting your bets down.